Maybe you can share with me how you've been kind of managing all the noise that's happening out there when it comes to AI. And it feels to me that there's a lot of competition, just trying to get market attraction to the product. What have you been seeing, and has it been a challenge for you, and how have you been overcoming it?
That's a fantastic question, Arthur. I think in the last 6 months, there's been about like 1,000 new AI companies coming out. And we see this trend since ChatGPT came out last December, that all these new ideas coming out. And I think it's great for the whole community to be able to get inspiration, see what works, what doesn't work. It's about feedback. For us, when we look at competition, obviously, I know what you're thinking. ChatGPT is the latest and greatest thing in marketing. So what should switch to your platform? Well, let me tell you that ChatGPT is a great tool, but it's not perfect. For one thing, you can't ask it direct questions. You have to speak its language in order to get the best result. And even then, it's not always accurate. And that's where we come in. We're experts in AI technology, and we've added our own proprietary technology and expertise to create the ultimate video marketing platform. With our platform, you can ask direct questions, and you can get current data. You can also get more detailed and nuanced result that you can with ChatGPT. So we've been working on this platform for about 11 months now, and we're confident it's the best video marketing platform in the market. Additionally, the angle is really, we look at empathy. So we aim to understand the end user. So I've spoken personally to over 150 people and really tried to dig down in a post-COVID world. What was their main pain points? And so from that angle of empathy, and we brought technology and psychology and sociology all together in order to create the best video marketing platform.
Okay, thanks for sharing that. Well, let me ask. Well, my experience with the Chat GPT, correct? When I asked it for specific things, or to look up certain information, the way I see it is that it's just backed by their own database. And I believe anyone else that's out there creating their own platform either hooks into some source information to help serve, I guess, power up their AI engine. It kind of made me feel like after a while, if everyone's using Chat GPT, it's all going to be the same. I mean, for me, there is creativity because I'm a content creator. I will spin it the way I still want to spin it. It maybe gives me um, triggers some
Mm-hmm.
thoughts, triggers some new words, perhaps, but it really does excite me using Chat GPT. And I've met, similar to yourself, I interview a lot of founders, and they're thinking, "Hey, this is all I need," and I'm like, I'm using it. I'm
Mm-hmm.
like, you can only go so far. Yeah, I think there's definitely limitations. What do you foresee? What are the main features of their video marketing platform that kind of overcome or help creators still be creative?
Of course. So in all of history, we've gotten inspiration by having new information.
Mm.
Right? And so what it does is essentially allows you to do research analytics, where you can get information real life data information about what's the latest trend. And so that helps you to get immediate new ideas, which leads to you to be creative. And at the same time, having the data of engagement metrics, for example, then you can see what type of content is highly performing, what are people interested in. So understanding more about the end user, the customer, really helps to shape your content creation. And so we've taken that data analytics background with essentially generative content, so both written video script and video creation, so that you can essentially produce a lot faster. So one of the core ideas that Reelsight was based off is the idea of fast advertising, which is essentially advertising at the speed of culture. And so in order for you to stay up to date with all the events going on in the world, once you see a very high attention seeking event, if you produce very quickly your content, you will bring essentially more visibility into your own brand.